Okay, actually we write it lab number 4 again. Check lab number 4, the signal are okay, and this is our function and the name of architecture. Okay, let me save it with this one or Control S. He asked us that are you sure about the name? We say okay, just save it again. Now we save it. Now let me go to the running this function VHDL file. You can see the lab name now. We change it to the lab number 4.vhd and just run it. Okay, if everything is fine, you can find the percentage here in 32%. If we reach to 32%, it means that everything is fine and you don't have a logical error. And the time of the compilation is depend on your laptop or your machine. Actually my laptop is Quartus, is not very strong laptop, but if your laptop is Core 5 or Core 7, it will be less than 1 minute. I think everything is fine. You can check that different logs here, and you can see that these logs are changed. And also here you can check the percentage of the compilation and reach to the 49%. And here you can find the summary, flow summary of your compilation. I think everything is fine, and our code will run successfully. Let me check. 80%, 99%, and it will be finished soon. Yes, come on. Yes, now its full compilation was successful, and we have a 13 warning. So this warning is about the naming or something like this. It's not important. This is important that your compilation was successful. Okay, now our compilation is finished and we are going to reach to our simulation, because I'm going to check that what's happened to our input and output. Again, this part of the simulation will be the same as the previous one. Again, if you remember from the previous lab session, we go to the file, we go to the new, and we select where is this one? Yes, university program VWF, and okay. Here the same window like the previous lab session. We again go to the edit and we check that value. We can insert our node, but at first let me check and set the end time. We are going to use it to 116 and change it to a nanosecond. It's for your beautiful output simulation. Okay, and again we go to the edit, and this time to insert node and boss. And I'm quite sure that is very easy for you, because like a previous lab session, we go to the node finder, and here in the node finder picture you can select the list, this button, and here you can find your output and your input. We just select all of them and we click on this button, and all of them transfer to the selected node, and we select on OK. Again OK. You can find your input and output here. This is like a previous one. We can select different pulses here. For example, for this one, we check this one, override clock. For example, we can write 20 nanosecond. For the second input, we can write 40 nanosecond. And for the another one, write it in this manner: 20, 40, 18, and 160. Actually, it can be up to you, but in this way you can find different input. For example, here this is 0, this is 1, this is 0, or something like this. You can have all the events. This one 18, and this one you select it as a 160. In this manner, in this number, you can find different kind of events. And here we just select on the running. You want to save? Yes, we are going to change our waveform VWF.